I'm Robert Hester, and this is my ASU-N story. I've been working in ballet and front desk and just kind of getting burned out doing that. I guess I've been doing that for about 8 years now and was looking to do something else. My uncle, he opened a body shop about a year ago, and he asked me if I wanted to, he said if I'd come to school to learn painting and body work, that he'd give me a job. When he said, this is how much I'll pay you and the commission, and so I jumped on board once he told me the numbers, and so you can make a really good living. Started Googling schools, and Dave, the instructor here, was the one that got back to me. He got back to me real quick, and they got me going really quick. And I mean, before you know it, I was enrolled. So, and that was really helpful. I definitely like the painting a lot more. I don't mind the body work, but the painting's probably the most enjoyable to me. It's definitely been worth it. You know, you start out and you think it's going to take forever, but it goes real fast. Never too late for anybody to go back to school, or you know, to do what they want to do, or to do something new, or just come learn. And you know, maybe they just want to learn how to fix a car, or you know, work on their car. I mean, it's something anybody can do anytime. I'm Robert Hester. That was my ASU-N story.